When I get together with my girls for drinks and apps, they always ask me to bring this crowd favorite, loaded tots on a stick. And after you see how I put these cheesy potatoes wrapped in bacon together, you'll know why. So the ingredients needed are tater tots, bacon, jalapeno peppers, wooden skewers, pale ale, original Velveeta cheese, Worcestershire sauce, and Dijon mustard. I also have some sour cream that I have mixed with some fresh chopped green onions for dipping. To get started, I'm going to preheat the oven to 425. And while that's warming, I'm going to place the tots in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate and cook them in the microwave for 30 seconds. When that's done, set those aside and let's move on to our bacon. Place your bacon on a plate in a single layer and add a paper towel, and add one more layer of bacon followed by another paper towel to cover. And you're gonna cook this in the microwave for 5 minutes or until partially cooked. But you don't wanna cook it too long because you still want it flexible. Now it's time to prepare the skewers. Cut the bacon slices crosswise in half and wrap each tot with 1 slice of bacon. I put 4 wrapped tots on each skewer, alternating with 3 jalapeno slices in between and ending with the wrapped tot. Looking good already, and we're not even done. Just a few more to go. Now we need to bake these, and let's get them nice and crunchy. Spray a cookie sheet with some cooking spray. Lay the skewers in a single layer and bake for 18 minutes. To make everything come together, we gotta prepare the liquid gold. In a small saucepan, heat the pale ale over medium heat for 3 minutes and add in the cheese, Worcestershire sauce, and the Dijon mustard. Whisk until the cheese is melted and the sauce is completely heated. Be sure to stir frequently so you don't burn the bottom. I bet you wish you could dig into this now, but not yet. I said loaded, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Transfer the skewers onto a serving dish and drizzle the melted cheese all over. My goodness, wait until you try with the sour cream. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.